Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to discuss the topic canal and railway. Means why the time period when the canal started to be built in England and how railway was invented, what were the use done by it when it was invented. Canal were initially built to transport the coal from the mines to the cities. And they were built by the big landowners of England to increase the value of the mines, so that the people would not hesitate to work in a mine or to own the mines, because the value of the mine increased by having the transportation facility from there in the form of the canals. So canals were initially built to transport coal to the cities, and they were built by the big landowners to increase the value of mines. The first canal which was built in England was in the year 1761, and the name of the canal was Worsley Canal. The first canal of England to be built was Worsley Canal in 1761, and it was built by James Bradley, made by James Bradley. And after the making of this canal, the price of coal fell by half. Why it fell by half? Because by the construction of this canal, the transportation cost of coal reduced by half. That's why the cost of coal also reduced by half. Earlier it was transported by the roadways and it cost too much in the transportation, but now by the construction of canal, its transportation costs reduced so much. And from because of this reason only, from 1760s to 90s, almost 25 new canals project started to be bigger. Means 25 new canals started to be built in England, and because of this huge project, the time period was known in the England history, British history, by the name of Canal Mania. This time period from 1788 to 96. 46 new projects was about to begin, and 25 canals were to be built. So this was the reason why the time period was known as the Canal Mania. Why the canal were built? It was mainly built for providing the easy transportation facilities. But by building so much canals and this by the increase of the use of this canal network, in the use of this there were certain problems also. Now we discuss what were the problems which were revealed in the use of the canal transportation through the canal. The first problem was that congestion of vessels were made movement slow on certain stretch of canal. So many vessels are the ships. So many ships started running in these canals that the traffic jams, like on the road traffic jams are there, in a similar way in canal also there was a congestion problems, because of so many vessels were started to be running in these canal. And at certain point it became so many that the movement became very difficult. This was one of the problem. Another problem was that of the availability of the water in these canals. Sometimes the water get froze because of the so much cold weather. Sometimes flood came in these canals, and sometimes drought. And this made the use of these canals limited. Means because of these reasons, the canals can be used for a limited time period. So these were the problems, limitation in the use of the canal network for the transportation purpose. So student, this is all about canal. When the first canal started to build in when the first canal built in England, who built it, what was the purpose behind it, and what was the problem arise after starting using the canal network. All these things now you have studied. Now we move to the railway. Railway, you all know, is one of the cheapest and the fastest mode of transportation, both for carrying the passengers as well as the goods from one place to another. And the first steam locomotive. Locomotive means beta the body which can move. Locomotive was made by Stephenson rocket. Stephenson rocket. First moving engine was made by Stephenson rocket in the year 1814, and he gave it the name Blücher. So this was the name given to it, Blücher. After that, the invention of the first steam locomotive, the first railway line was also let down, and it was let down between two cities of England, Stockton and Darlington, in the year 1825. Both these cities are at the distance of 9 miles, and the distance time taken in covering the distance of 9 miles from Stockton to Darlington was of 2 hours. Means the time taken by this Blücher, that was the new locomotive, steam locomotive, was of 2 hours in covering the distance of 9 miles. But this the improvement soon came in the speed of the train. Within the 20 years, the speed increased from 30 to 50 miles per hour. Earlier 2 hours were taken in covering 9 miles, but within 20 years the speed increased to 50 miles per hour. And by 1850s, most of the England had been connected by railway. Means railway became common in England. Most of the cities, important cities in railway, were connected by through this railway network. And vast amount of coal and iron. You know, coal and iron were the main things which were are used in the railway. So a vast amount of coal and iron were used and also employed a large number of workers. It also started providing jobs to many workers in England. So beta, this is all about railway. Thank you.